the power of Excalibur. Today you receive the power of Excalibur. It will clean your mental field and your emotional area of your aura. The power of Excalibur works transforming and healing for you. And when you are ready to receive the cleaning, then say a yes with your inner voice now to me. At the same moment, Excalibur expands its strength. Excalibur works in your mental field and takes away your thoughts and doubts. It also takes away any structures of your mind which hinder you from being clear. Now Excalibur works in your emotional field and cleans feelings which can weaken you and cleans emotions which can you make tired. The energy flows into your emotional field. Frees it and makes it ready to get light and love. Excalibur works for your physical body, in your aura and your light body. Excalibur cleans your energy field and your physical body from negative energies that you absorbed during the day from other people. Feel the energy and feel how your shoulders become lighter with the cleaning power of Excalibur. Feel how your mind becomes clear and how your heart starts to expand. Excalibur works every time for your highest welfare and good. It brings light and love into your life. It helps you to be able to create your daily life full of power from up to now. Thank you and Ananasha.